Hello everyone, I'm Michelle Stelling for Photographic Elements Techniques, and in this video we will be covering how to use the pop art feature. Now the pop art feature can be found in the guided section. It won't be found in the expert section. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that I normally do is I will be in the expert mode, and I'll go ahead and open up the file that I want to work on, and I will crop it right off the bat. So for instance, this whole entire picture would not look that great with the pop art feature added to it. So I'm going to go ahead and get my crop tool. I'm going to hold my shift key down. I'm just going to make a perfect square. You don't have to do it as a perfect square, but I'm going to go ahead and make it as a perfect square. So I held my shift key down to make a perfect square. Next, I'm going to go ahead and bounce on over to the guided section. So basically all you need to do is go ahead and click on guided instead of expert. It's going to go ahead and take away a lot of those tools that you saw on the left hand side, and it's only going to leave you with a couple. But on the right hand side, you're going to see a lot of different features that you can use. You're going to have the touch-up features, the photo effects, and the photo play. So if you want to open up each individual section, you just click on the arrow that points down, and that will allow you to see everything that's inside of that section. What we're going to be working on is the pop art, so go ahead and click on pop art. You're going to make sure that you choose the style that you want. I would say 95% of the time I will choose this first one. It just looks better. And then you just go step by step. So I'm going to go to the number 2, which is convert image mode. It's going to go ahead and convert that to bitmapped, black and white. And then you just click on number 3, add color. It's as simple as that. And then you click on duplicate image. And then it's going to go ahead and it's going to give you all those colors that are available at the top there. You don't really have control over those unless you go back into the expert mode. Once you're finished, you just go ahead and click on done. And there you have your pop art effect. You would go File, Save As, and then you would save it either as a PSD or as a JPEG from your list of drop downs. And there you have that file. Now let's go ahead and work on another file. So I'm just going to go back to my expert mode because I do know that I want to crop. So I'm going to go File and Open. And let's go ahead and use this photo here. We don't have to do a perfect square. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and do a rectangle. So I'm going to go ahead and click and drag right about there. Click on the check mark and then bounce on over to the guided section. I'll then go into pop art, and let's just try this one. Let's try the second one here. So click on that, posterize the image, add neon glow, and then go ahead and duplicate that. And it will go ahead and give you those 4 colors as well. Now that doesn't look too bad. It actually looks kind of cool in a way, but just know that you can also go into the expert mode after you're finished to find out what it looks like in the layers panel. So let me just open this up. We bounced into the expert mode, and then you can see that you have all these different layers there from that pop art guided section. So know that you can bounce back and forth between the expert and the guided, and just have some fun with it. You can add text on the top if you want to. Let's just say, for instance, we don't really care for that one. Let's go back to the original and try out the other one and see how that works. I'm going to go ahead and make my selection, bounce back over to guided, go into pop art, click on the first style, convert image mode, and then add color and duplicate that image. I think that looks a little bit better than the first one, but it's kind of up to you on what you want to do with your photos. Once you're finished, just click on done, and then choose File, Save As, and you can choose JPEG from the list of drop downs. It's going to go ahead and automatically flatten that whole entire page. And I usually do the high quality, and now you have a flattened version of that copy. This has been Michelle Stelling with the National Association of Digital Scrapbookers. Thanks for watching, and I hope to catch you again next time. Bye-bye.